Welcome to our new YouTube channel, ASPIRANTS. Today we are going to deal with the structure of a typical leaf. A typical leaf consists of three regions. So the first one, the typical regions of a leaf goes for the leaf base. The next one is the petiole, and the last one goes for the leaf laminal blade or the lamina of a leaf. So the three regions are leaf base, petiole and leaf laminal blade or the lamina. So here in this picture we can clearly see that this portion of the leaf is called as the lamina. This is the petiole and this is the leaf base. We can discuss the other parts later. Now let's discuss about the leaf base. The lowermost part of the leaf which connects the leaf or the petiole to the node of the stem is called as the leaf base. So this is the leaf base. In a typical leaf, we can say that the lowermost part of the leaf which connects the leaf or the petiole to the node of the stem is called as the leaf base. And in some leaves, the leaf base is swollen, that is called as the pulvinus. So in some leaves, the leaf base is swollen and is called as a pulvinus. This is a typical character of the family Fabaceae. Then in monocot leaves, leaf base is partially or completely covers the stem. It is called as the leaf sheath. So as discussed earlier, the pulvinus is the character of the family Fabaceae and the leaf sheath, which is the character of monocot trees. For example, grass, which is a monocot plant, and the monocot tree, coconut. Now let's discuss about the petiole. The stalk of the leaf is called as the petiole, which connects the leaf base and the lamina. Here we can see a leaf. This is called as the petiole, which connects the lamina to the stalk of the leaf. This is the petiole, is the stalk of the leaf which connects the leaf base and the lamina. So here we can see in a typical leaf, the leaf base and the lamina is connected by petiole. A leaf with petiole is called as a petiolate leaf. So here you can see the example of a petiolate leaf. And a leaf without petiole is called as a sessile leaf. Sessile leaf is without petiole. Now let's discuss about what is a stipule. A stipule is a small outgrowth present at the base, at the axil of the leaf base. Stipule is a small outgrowth present at the axil of the leaf base. Here also there are two classifications. A leaf with stipule is called as a stipulate leaf. Stipulate leaf. And a leaf without stipule is called as an exstipulate leaf. Without stipule, it is called as exstipulate. So The basic structure of a stipule is a small outgrowth at the axil of the leaf base. This is the leaf base. It is a small outgrowth from the axil of the leaf base called as a stipule, and the presence of the stipule will classify a leaf as stipulate leaf, and without the stipule it is an exstipulate leaf. Now let's discuss about the leaf laminal blade or the lamina. Here in this figure you can see the lamina. Now in this structure also, this is a typical hibiscus leaf. Here also you can see this is the lamina. So the lamina can be classified as the leaf apex and the leaf margin. So this is the leaf lamina, and we can classify it as the leaf apex and the leaf margin. Leaf apex and the leaf margin. The leaf margins are of two types. They are serrate and entire. Serrate and entire. These are the two types of leaf margins. Serrate means toothed. Toothed leaves are called as the leaves with a tooth type of margin is called as the serrate leaves. So you can see here that the hibiscus leaf has the leaf margin as a serrate. It has a serrate appearance, that is the tooth appearance. At the same time, the leaves of Mangifera indica, that is mango, has the entire leaf margin which has the appearance of a smooth leaf margin. Here you cannot see structure similar to hibiscus leaves. This is the example of a leaf with a serrate margin, that is the toothed margin, and this is an example of a leaf with the entire or the smooth margin. Now the petiole enters into the lamina in the form of a midrib. So when the petiole enters in the lamina, it is called as the midrib or the main vein. The branches of the midrib, that is these branches which arise, are called as the veins, and the further branching of the veins are called as the veinlets. So as said earlier, the petiole which enters into the lamina is called as the midrib. The branching of midrib is called as the veins, and the further branching of veins is called as the veinlets. So this is the typical structure of a leaf as discussed earlier. It consists of a leaf base, the petiole, and the leaf laminal blade or lamina. And hope you have understood. So you have understood the typical structure of the leaf. And for more updates, if you have liked the video, please share, like and subscribe. For more updates, tap on the bell icon, and the next video will be about the types of leaf. Thank you.